In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete the VT Markets account. Now, you cannot directly do it inside your account. There's no setting for it. However, you can still do it if you actually apply the steps I'm going to tell you right now. So what you have to do, this is actually a two-step formula, also available on their website over here. So let me actually show you how it's done. There we go. You can do this in the following way. So first, you have to withdraw or rebalance your funds to meet the following criteria. So for MT4 accounts, as you can see, your balance must be below 10 in the account currency. For MT4 USC accounts, balance must be below 500 USC. For MT5 accounts, balance must be below 0. And for MT5 USC, balance must be below 0 as well. Okay? Now, whenever you've met this criteria, there's also a second thing you have to do. So you have to avoid any of the following activities for 90 consecutive days, or let's say that's about 3 months, okay? So you have to avoid logging into your trading account, making deposits or withdrawals, and engaging in trading activity, okay? So make sure you don't actually log in, you don't trade, and you don't deposit or withdraw for 90 consecutive days. And after that, as it says over here, once these conditions are met, the system will automatically close your account, okay? If you need any further info, you can just go ahead, click on over here inside VT Markets. You can contact support that way, and they will help you out in case you have any further questions. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.